Hey guys, in today's video, I want to talk about the Daikin Fit. Maybe you're in the market for a heating and air system and you're looking around and you're considering your options. Parts of this video may feel a little salesy. Daikin is the brand that we sell at our company at Griffin Air, but I more specifically wanted to talk about their website, daikinfit.com, and point out a couple things that I think you're not going to be able to get anywhere else. If you're not familiar with the Daikin Fit, it's one of the products out there that I've always said it kind of checks the boxes. And what I mean by that is there are systems that maybe they have a higher efficiency rating, but they're not budget friendly, right? Or maybe they're budget friendly, but then they're not a communicating inverter system and they don't have the capabilities that has. The Daikin Fit kind of checks so many boxes, and I think if you go to daikinfit.com, you'll be surprised at some of the things that it can do that, again, a lot of other companies aren't offering. So I'm on their website right now. I just wanted to point out the first thing that is at the very top below the video that you can watch. During the making of this video, they're actually advertising directly to the homeowner the special offers and financing that you can take advantage of as the customer. And the reason I think this is important is a lot of the manufacturers will advertise this stuff to us, the contractor, and they'll say, hey, this month we're doing this rebate or we're doing this and that. But in a lot of cases, it doesn't always get translated to the homeowner, right? So if the contractor's really busy, he's not necessarily passing on that savings in all cases. Where in this case, you can get your best price, you can shop around, and then once you have your best price, you can say to the contractor, I want to take advantage of these special offers and financing that's currently being offered on the Daikin Fit. I'm not going to get into all the numbers right now on the website because they could change, but I just thought it would be important for you to see that because I do think that's unique where they say to the homeowner, hey, these are the programs we're offering, and you know that there's no sales gimmicks or anything like that. You know exactly what those offers are. So let's dive into this a little bit further. If you're on their website and you go down, you're going to see that it's going to talk about how efficient they are. Again, there's other systems out there that maybe they have a higher SEER rating, but maybe they're not communicating. And with that, what's interesting is the Daikin Fit has the same communicating inverter technology as the top of the line 20 plus SEER systems that we see have on the market. The reason the SEER rating may not be quite as high as those is because they've compacted it down. You've got this smaller coil, but it still has that technology where on some days, it'll just barely be running. On mild days, that system can communicate and say, hey, today we're going to just barely run and not draw much electricity at all. And of course, you're also getting all the other benefits that communicating inverter systems offer, such as the temperature swing that we're used to seeing on conventional systems. It gets warm in there, and then the system turns on and it drops the temperature in there, and there's this constant up and down throughout the day. With inverter communicating systems, that temperature is going to stay at a constant temperature all day long, drawing very little electricity and keeping you at maximum comfort. And on their website, it goes through kind of how that works. It has a little graph there and you can check that out. The other thing about the Daikin Fit that if you scroll down, it talks about is the compact size. We're seeing the Fit be installed in places that homeowners never even considered before. For example, years ago, we would have to take things into account like, is it near a bedroom? You know, if the system is turning on and off at night or it goes into defrost mode and things like that, those noises could be keeping the homeowner up at night. And in those days, we would have to keep that in mind. But then, you know, you try to put it on the other side of the house. Now you've got a long line set run and that ain't going to work. With the Fit, it's compact in size. It's also super quiet. You can put it in places that the outdoor units were never considered before. On their website, if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll even see a YouTube video where someone did a decibel test and shows you how quiet the system is compared to conventional systems. There's been times that I've had to walk right up to it just to even tell if it's running. And then finally at the bottom, it talks about their Daikin One thermostat. They've got a brochure there you can download so you can take a look at that. The thing about the Daikin One thermostat is it's part of what they call their ecosystem, the Daikin ecosystem, where it can not only communicate with the Fit system, but it also can have all these accessories added, such as an air monitor that can give you up-to-date reports on, you know, the air quality that you're breathing, other accessories like air cleaners and humidification and all that stuff can constantly be talking with one another. I'll also put a link down in the video description that you can click on and check out their ecosystem. Let me know your thoughts. Have you checked out the Fit before or have you purchased one? What are your thoughts so far on it? I'd love to hear about that. Please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.